Today, we're going to learn about the letter C on the piano. It's the white key right next to the pair of black keys. Do you see it? Great! Now, think of all the sweet things that start with C.
Candy, cookie, caramel, cupcake, custard, cola, chocolate, cheesecake, cookie, caramel, cupcake, cotton, candy, cake.
C C C C C C C C
Candy, cookie, caramel, cupcake, custard, cola, chocolate, cheesecake, cookie, caramel, cupcake, cotton, candy, cake. Cookie, caramel, cupcake, cotton, candy, cake.
C C C C C C.
If you would like to learn more songs like this,
A is for apple, the start of it all. B is for the beat, keeping rhythm in our flow.
like a diamond in the sky. Please remember to ask your mommy or daddy to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.